Testing 1 2. Hi guys. Let me check and see. Microphone. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Stop streaming. Transitions. Okay. If you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. Okay, from YouTube and also from Discord. From Discord, I think. Share screen. Oops. Anyway. OBS. New window. Okay, testing 1 2. Guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. Okay. Okay, live is gonna start. So Discord. Okay, Discord. Make sure that everyone get that. If you hear me, say hi, David. Okay, if you hear me, say hi, David. I'm here. Damn. Wait, let me find the live stream first. Hi, Juliet. Hi, pencils. Good, perfect. How about the YouTube. Hi, Eric's. Okay, so while waiting, everyone come in. Okay, it's been a month, man. It's been a month. I think a month they're not doing live. Oh my god, a freaking busy year, man. How is everyone? Okay, how is everyone? Let me know first, guys. Let me know what is the conditions. What happened? Okay, you're holding spots. You're holding Bitcoin. You're holding whatever. You're selling everything. You do nothing. You make good profit. You make good losses or whatever. Just tell me about it, please. Okay, why I want to say please because every time you don't answer me, I'm talking to a window. I'm talking to a screen without responding, man. Okay, someone is very good. Someone is recovering. Someone is like, okay, good, recovering. Okay, what is the recovering? What makes you to recover? It's okay to learn, but somehow, what makes you to recover? Oh, YouTube's. Okay, I just want to make sure that live started. Okay. Waiting for bear. I think soon you'll see uptrend first. You can look at today. Okay, good. Huh. I mean, what a nice day today, right? First week of January, not the first week, I would say, consider still first week, early of January 2026. Have you ever thoughts of like what happened? Bear market this year. Are we gonna make money? How much money can I make? Can I make a crazy profit? A good question here, so when it comes to today topics, right? It's about trend. Is it a short-term uptrend, or maybe is it a bear market soon because Bitcoin already came down to 90,000, right? Early of the year, most of us definitely having a lot of planning. Our plannings to how much we're gonna make this year, another 8 digits, 7 digits, 6 digits, or even 5 digits. How much do you want to make? And this year, maybe you say that you want to double up your wallet or maybe triple up your wallet. For me, I'm not so greedy. This year, I think double up my wallet is good enough for me. Happy enough. So by hoping that it is going to double, it's bullshit. Because a lot of us is always like to just hope it is going to become profits. Come on, we don't hope about that. Look at the charts, man. Look at the charts. Okay, last month, what we did, this is the prediction. So it comes down here, then we predict that it will go up, okay, somewhere between 90,000, 88,000, but it went as high as 93. Then it came back down. Okay, I say that possible it will go down to somewhere 80 plus minus, but it didn't. Okay, it didn't. It straight away shoots up to 90,000, then after it shoots up to 93, 94, 95,000. Okay, so my predictions, once is correct, rebound, second correct, rebound, but a bit price different. Here, I aiming 81,000, but it goes down to 84. So I would say that this is a bit too big price difference. So I don't think this is considered correct. Okay, this is maybe a bit of price difference, which is still fine. So the next prediction, the last one, so the flow is like come down, go up, come down again, and go up again to 97,000. Right now it go as high as 95, but straight away it comes down. So sometimes, right, a lot of us will be having a lot of dilemma. What kind of dilemma will be having? Is it this right now we are here? Are we still in this? Are we in still this yellow color line? We are still in the are we still in the sideway market, or it is already went down already, and right now it's planned to go up? Anyone can tell me about this? Do you think this is a sideway market, or this is a uptrend sign? Tell me about it. What do you think? Okay, BBC says sideway. Another one. Laboratory is still down. Okay, sideway. Correct. Okay, let me see YouTube's. David Nguyen saying that it's Tang, is it? Tang is having Bitcoin, so I'm still holding. When can I sell it? You cannot sell now. Please don't sell now. Okay, you don't sell now. Look at the MACD first. Okay, we start to do some planning. In 28, this planning, I want you to understand that we are here to plan about. We are here to plan on during this year what we need to do. Okay, early of the year, we need to start with early of the year. We know what to do, right? So I would say right now we are in 12 hours. Mission completed, went up. So, 12 hours is a good one. Day charts just touches at, oh, straight away go to 2 day chart. Yeah, no, day only. Haven't reached 2 days. Okay, good. Wow, current price is very sensitive. It's very sensitive. You want me to judge? I can't judge. Seriously. Oh. Okay, for my plan today, after Bitcoin, okay, after Bitcoin came down to 84,000, shoot up to 80, 94, 95,000, right? My current plan is like this. Very sensitive, but somehow I believe that, okay, I need to draw a line first. Fibo, drawing Fibo to this one, 88,456. It's quite a headache, man. Seriously, it's quite a headache. Hi, Travis. For me, right, what I prefer, look at the green color line. My preference is about right now it comes up, it goes a bit, then it pumps up to 97,000 again, then it comes down. This is what I prefer. Okay. This is it go according to our previous plan. Okay. It come down already, pumps up to 97,000 and come down. So I'm hoping that right now is the bottom line. If tomorrow stays above 90,000, I believe that it will pump up to 97 if tomorrow stays above 90,000. Okay, but you don't tell me 89,900 not consider 90, still consider 90 lah, okay? So if tomorrow stays around that price, got it? But if tomorrow is 88,000 or 87,000, I believe that we are at this point. We're at this point. So right now, right, I cannot confirm that we are number one, we're at number one or number two. That's something that make me confused. Okay, I don't know if we are here, number one, or we are already at here, number two. So which one do you think? Do you think that we are right now in number one or in number two? If you think that we are in number one, you type one. If you think that we are in number two right now, we type two. So two means that most probably the price will go up to 97,000 then come down. But if tomorrow it breaks down to 87, 88, I believe that we are still in number one, which means that possible it will come down one more time, somewhere 81, then only go back to number two. Okay? So Ting saying is number one. Okay. I think this number, I prefer number two, Ting I prefer number two. But everyone said number one. Okay, good. Number one. Okay, number one, very easy to justify. Guys, I draw a line like this. Okay. For me, I will go for long. Definitely, I will go for long. Anything below 88,000, I will just sell. So basically, right, you want me to go for long right now based on 89,008, right? My stop loss may be 2 to 3%. Okay, 87,000. Okay, let's say 87,000, we do it like this. Anything below this one, I sell. Okay, but I will go to long and my target price is always 97,000. The ratio is 1 to 3. I will take this risk. Okay, this is when it's 92. Okay, got it? And this is number two. This is number two. Okay. But let's say if it's really go down to 87, right? I would say go to short. Okay. With around 2 to 3% also, but targeting somewhere between 1 to 3 ratio also. Your stop loss maybe you can put it at 3% and 1 to 3 ratio. Got it? So there's a two trade here. And I will take both the trade. Which means that today, for me, I will go for long. I'll go for long. My 2.5%, I'm going to risk it. Maybe I'm going to risk for one. Okay, I'm going to risk like 20% of my wallet to go for long. If I make 60% of my wallet. Okay, but if I lose 20%. But if tomorrow the price go down to somewhere between 88 or 87, wait, it should be 87. The risk and reward cannot be so much. 1 to 2.71. I can go lower like this. Let's say tomorrow is go below 88, 87.8, you go for short, right? Your stop loss should be somewhere around 3%. So 1 to 3, that's the second short that you need to aim. Got it? So how do I justify this? Very simple. As long as stands above 89,000, right? DL is still uptrend because the blue line is still above. But anything stays below, right? Which means that this is downtrend, I'll go for short. That's a simple, very simple story. At the same time, I'm playing with risk and reward. I risk 20,000. When I profit, I make 30. I risk 20,000. When I profit, I make 30,000. So you just need to calculate like we are playing with that. Got it? But some of you are saying that, David, I believe that this is another bull market. Fine. If you believe that this is a bull market, when it reaches the price at 97,000, you can take half of the profit first and hoping that the price continue goes up to 100,000 or 122. Doesn't matter. I told you before, right? This is the first stop. This is the second. This is the first stop. The second stop I remember is about 103,000. Got it? So everything comes from tomorrow what happened. If tomorrow the price stands above 90, I believe it goes up. If tomorrow price 10 below 88, I believe that it will comes down. That's all. Clear? Understand? Good planning? If it's good, fully understand, you know what to do already, you type yes, let me know. If you don't know what to do, you type I don't know. Okay? Hi Malasavi. Yes, clear. So you can see, right? All my trade, right, is I'm not a pure directional based person, which means that, right, it's not like I'm not confident about the direction, which I believe that direction is always 50-50. If I'm good, maybe 60-40. That's all. Which means that my chances of going right direction is 60%. Misplaced direction is 40%. But the problem is about guessing which is up or down to make you money. But a good planning and profit ratio, it gives you a good profit. Correct. So in 2026, this year already, I don't know how much you get started. Maybe 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, or maybe like 1 million. But somehow you need to put in the money. You spend your time here for more than a year, maybe 2 years here. Okay, we are here to talk about. Let's say David, I want to put in 10,000 because I saved 10,000. I want to put in 10,000 in futures. Yes, go ahead. Start with 1,000 as damage cost. When you hit 3% stop loss here, it is going to lose your 1%. You calculate your stop loss yourself. So, which means that when you're taking 1,000 risk, but profiting with 3,000 profit. Same with this one. When it hit 2.45%, you're going to lose 1,000. But if it hits 97,000, you're going to make 3,000. So that is, if you're new in trading, right, you can give yourself 10 times. That's the maximum. You don't give yourself 20, 30 times of damage, which means that your $10,000, you need to spend like every time you trade, you lose $500 or $200. That is waste of time, That's totally waste of time. When you start, I'll give you a trade, 1,000, then you 1,000. But if you're a professional trader or maybe you're already very used to it, right? At least 2,000, 20%. One damage costs 20%. Very easy. Just go in, buy bit right now. You want to go for long, tomorrow morning we go for long together. We put a stop loss. When it flies up, then we make the profit. When it comes down, we lose the money, we go again. I got 5 continuous chances. Always understand that, right? You need to understand that we believe that Bitcoin will go up in crazy time, but it goes sideways sometimes. So what is the best thing is about, if the market either go up or come down, it's 50-50. Let's say your every time profit is 3 times more than your loss. 50-50, no problem anymore. Got it? Okay, that's the future trades. But if you talk about Bitcoin, right, I would say, right, yeah, if you want to buy Bitcoin, if you believe that this is going to change the uptrend, right, you can buy now or buy tomorrow morning. If it stands 1 day above, I would say buy tomorrow morning. 89,000, you can buy. You know what is the risk? The risk for Bitcoin right now, right, I would say like, fuck, it's only like 3% or less. Yeah, 2% of risk. Put in 100,000, maybe you risk 2,000. Okay, maybe you only risk $2,000, but if it hit this one, at least you can make 6 to 7,000. Okay, but if it goes to 103,000, there's still a chance. There's two top. One is 97, one is 103. Here you give you another 14,000. So if you want to buy, I wouldn't stop you by buying this price. Everyone listen here. This all my life I never delete before. You can watch back, guys. I repeat again. If you want to buy, you can buy at current price. Your risk is 2%. Anything below 88, more than 1 day, you sell everything. 100,000, you lose 2,000. But if it goes up to 97, okay, you are making somewhere 7 to 8K. And if it goes up to 102, that gives you, that that's 13,000. Risking 2,000 to 13,000, not bad deal. This is a good deal. Value for money. Worth risk to take. Got it? Okay. But if you're saying, hey, David, this is a bear market, I don't care, I just want to short. Okay, prep your short somewhere between 97,000. Okay, prep your shot around 97. That's the first entry. Remember we said before, right? 88 we shot, 94 we shot, 97 we shot, right? You got one more entry you haven't shot yet. If you want to short, you can short somewhere around there. Your last stop loss is anything above 103,000. That's the plan. Got it? So remember that day we say 88, 94. Ah, okay, 94,000. Then the last one is 97. That is your three-step short. Your stop loss is somewhere 103 and above. Got it? That's all. That's the short planning. But when you're long planning, you can long now. Because remember, I already draw the price range for you to see. So you already know that estimated this is the fluctuations, the volatility of Bitcoin. Okay, if you still don't make money, I don't know what to do really. Okay, really don't know what to do really. I try my best. It's just about you need to be more aggressive or maybe more daring. Right? 10,000, put in 1,000 to risk. Okay, if you say spot 100,000, you only risk 2,000, 3,000. Go ahead. Your 100,000 becomes 97,000. Basically, not much different. You don't rely on that money to live. But imagine the 100,000 give you another 20K, right? Oh, that is a good profit. That is going to bring you to another, a lots of things you can do. Okay, good. Any questions? If you're asking me, David, should I go in altcoin? Maybe I would say, yeah, altcoin, why not? How about Ethereum's? Ethereum's a sideways market. Okay, short around here. One shot, two shot. This shot, I believe that everyone make profit that day. Okay, this shot make profit. Then after that, this shot, it's really end already. So same thing, 1, 2, 3. The last target price, the stop loss. One shot, two shot, haven't hit yet. Third shot. This is a short planning for Ethereum's. But if you want to go for long, I wouldn't stop you. Okay, the same thing. This risk. For Ethereum, I think you need to go something further a bit. Wait for a while. 786. I would prefer it's 786. Your stop loss have to be below 2,950. 4.47% of stop loss, but you are focusing on making a first profit somewhere between 1 to 2 ratio to 1 to 3 ratio. Got it? This is a long trade in Ethereum. You're not against the trend. Right now the trend still looks like uptrend because DL is uptrend. But bear move is downtrend, of course. Great. Any questions? Guys, everyone in Discord, any questions? Is it good? Clear? Type clear, let me know. Sui I look at it. Sui, Malasawi. Wow, what the fuck is that? I might look into a wrong coin. Liquidate everyone. Serious. I never know this happened also. October. That a very bad one. 60 cents to $33.70. What the hell? Sui direction right now is 3 hours. I think no. Nah, I don't look at this coin. From $3, from 460 drops until 120, I not recommend you to buy this. Don't buy. Don't buy but remember guys, don't trade altcoin. I mean you can short altcoin during bear market, but not buy altcoin to keep during bear market. You understand that if you're doing this, you understand that the painfulness of losing money. Okay. If you say you want to aim for short, I say go ahead and aim it, no problem. I wouldn't stop you. Go short. Yeah, go. Okay, if it goes to $2 fifty, wow, cannot lah, $2.70. Never mind. If it goes to $2.60, you want to short it. Okay, if you go to $2, short it, but not now. You don't short first. Okay, good. Next. So guys, so remember right now we are here to this year, 2026, do your planning. Put in 10K. Hey, you make up your mind lah. Come on, man. You the 10,000 you wouldn't die, but this 10,000 can help you to make a great outcome. You wouldn't lose, you earn experience, correct or not? So if you say that David, I got 100,000, yeah, only 100,000, 90,000 goes to spot. Remember, if you got 100,000, 90,000 go to spot, only 10,000 goes to only goes to futures. Hey guys, there's no financial advice. Please come on, this is YouTube. Later I got myself in jail. Not financial advice today. For me, basically I didn't ask everyone to buy Bitcoin, and I didn't tell you to buy any exchanges. Okay, you can buy whatever exchanges, also doesn't matter. So please don't report me or don't get me in the jail. I'm just trying to share my information, my choice. I mean, I'm just trying to share my move, my planning. Okay, good. Happy, eh? So right now, I'm telling you this planning, right? The planning that I given to you, right? We already try to plan ahead for like 1 2 months. Remember this one? We planned this is when November, 2 months ago. So it goes according to way. So right now, this is a planning also. Maybe it takes one month or another 2 to 3 weeks. So we are trying to just foresee in the future. So trying to play with the volatile. That's the interesting of forecasting one. That's why lots of FTD students, ATM students, they know how to do that because they can forecast. We know what to do. Basically, we are not God. We can't predict the futures, but what we can do is about we forecast. I know that what is called forecast and predictions are different. Prediction is like I guess where is it? I believe that it will happen. Forecast no. Forecast based on statistics. I see that the wind is coming. When the wind is coming, I believe that there's another 100 kilometer. There is a rain there, so it's gonna fly. It's gonna push all the cloud, the raining cloud, to these locations. So it is gonna rain. But I don't know how long it takes. Sometimes wind can blow really fast, and it will slow down too. So maybe it takes 1 hour or maybe 10 hour. It depends. So this is called forecast. I know the rain is coming soon. That's why how we know there's a bear market. I know the heavy storm is coming soon. But when is it? Yep. But I'm not 100% correct also. Why? Because when the storms come, you never know when it's end. Correct. We are just about probability. So everyone that listen to here, I'm not that here is about we are not here to predict the futures, but we are here that I know the rain's coming soon. So right now I need to go out to collect my shirts to stop my shirts getting wet. That's the plan. Good. But at the end, right? 2026 already. Come on, we've already been through the bull market. I believe that some of you that follow me, thanks for texting me, telling me that you make a lot of money. Thank you so much. That makes me keep on doing this. But 2026, we are here to not talking about making money. We are here to talk about make big money. Okay. Yes. Early of 30th January, right? 30th January, David Jerstein office, we are having a annual dinner for everyone, public. Everyone, if you haven't met me in person, you want to drop by to come to see me, or maybe you want to discuss something, feel free to drop by. Correct. It's open for public. If you want to know about information, I really don't know. I mean, I really, there's no link for me to share. If you really want to come, text the Instagram support. Tell them that you want to come on 30th January. Okay? Yeah. Any charges? No charge. You know David Justin, We do all the event, we don't charge. We just make sure that everyone is happy. Wait, 2026. This year, time flies, isn't it? Bear market, you want to make money, it's only when you short it. Ciao. Thanks for everyone. That's my life today. I need to head to the Vietnam class because in Vietnam there's another class there to update that.